Meet the master of animals breed from the mountain, Kenyan citizen, Macharia, the cow distributor across East Africa, Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. Find us in Facebook for more breed selection. We have got all types of cow breeds in our farm. Breed selected from all over the world. Contact us for Fresian cows, Flake V breeds, Asha breeds, Jersey breeds, lactating cows, and small calves on sale. Our breeds are fertile, cheap to maintain, and can produce up to 40 liters of milk a day. Order now. Ask about cows. Call 0759 898384. We are located in Nyandarua County, kwa Haraka Shopping Center. Come meet the breed by yourself. The breed that brings wealth. Our cows are vaccinated and can survive in any environment, mountains and plains. Invest in a cow. Be rich instantly. We deliver and we train farmers across the country. Instant delivery. Macharia Cow Distributor, where livestock meet luxury, where agriculture industry come to shine.